Something came in the mail today. My as ever shipment. Okay, let's do it. They wrap it so... Ooh, I smell the candle already. This has to be the candle because I smell it. Yes. I got the non-mint one because I'm not sure how minty it is. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so lovely. Look at that. Oh, this is so fresh. This smells like you walked into a very clean room. White, beige, very fresh. Oh, that's lovely. And this is high quality. This right here, no plastic here. This is high quality. Oh, that smells so good. They wrap these so well. I have to go back for the hot toddy. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh. I smell everything. It smells new. Oh, beautiful. This is gorgeous for a gift. This is gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm excited about the strawberry spread. I'm gonna taste it in a second, yes. And I got the honey with the honeycomb. Because I missed out on the first one with the honeycomb. The sage, let me see. Oh, they fill it up, which I love. The honey is honeying and there's a slight hint of sage. Like it's not potent. So I could probably still use this in my tea. Oh, let me get a spoon so I can taste the honey and the strawberry spread. But look at that honeycomb. Oh. All right, let's taste the strawberry spread. The strawberrying is strawberrying. You can smell it. Okay, let's see. This is the consistency. It's a spread. Okay, let's see. Oh, it has that same tartness. It has that same tartness like the raspberry. Oh, that strawberry is rich, meaning you don't need a lot of this. You don't need to douse this on bread and toast and other things. A little is gonna go a long way because it is rich. Oh, I love it, I love it. Let me taste the honey. See, okay. Yeah, I barely taste the sage part, which means you can use this more than for holiday. Yeah, that sage is real subtle in the back. And if you don't know, if you're not looking for it, you would probably just think that this was just regular honey. Oh, it's good. It's good. I'm buying more of these. Oh. Yes, thank you, Megan. I purchased all these. I'm saying thank you, Megan, for putting them for sale. Now, you can give me some too. I'll take it all. But thank you, Megan, for creating this beautiful line of As Ever. This is, everything has just been top notch and lovely. We all can see you put your heart into it. We can feel it, but we can taste it. It's good. It's good. Thank you for not rushing it. All right, guys, that's my review. My review is a little biased because I do like Megan and I'm a fan. But it's nice. If it was bad, I would probably say, you know, this isn't my cup of tea. But no, all of this is my cup of tea. It's good and it's beautifully presented. So there's my biased unboxing and opening of everything.